The United Nations General Assembly is one of the 6 principal organs of the United Nations, serving as the main deliberative, policy-making, and representative organ of the UN. Its powers, composition, functions, and procedures are set out in Chapter 4 of the United Nations Charter. The UNGA is responsible for the UN budget, appointing the non-permanent members to the Security Council, appointing the Secretary-General of the United Nations, receiving reports from other parts of the UN system, and making recommendations through resolutions. It also establishes numerous subsidiary organs to advance or assist in its broad mandate. The UNGA is the only UN organ wherein all member states have equal representation. The General Assembly meets under its president, or the UN Secretary-General in annual sessions at UN headquarters in New York City. The main part of these meetings generally run from September to part of January until all issues are addressed. It can also reconvene for special and emergency special sessions. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.